So just in with your chopped sweet potato. And you can use purple sweet potato for this. It's absolutely gorgeous.
I've never heard of that.
It's vibrant, it's gorgeous.
Wow.
It's great to make gnocchi with. You know, it looks but normal sweet potato is fine.
Yep.
If you can't get the purple stuff. And then just some red lentils. These are the dried split red lentils because I want to cook these in the stock.
Right.
So don't use the canned ones because they're already cooked. Just use the dried red lentils and in there you go. And that's pretty much the base of the soup done. I just give that a good coat in all that paste and you can smell that gorgeous, all those aromats, can't you? The flavour of this is beautiful. And of course, if you don't like it too hot, you can take some of the paste away. You don't need to use all of the paste, just go with the stock and the lentils.
Exactly. But and you don't have to soak those lentils for days on end, do you? You just bung them in?
Give them a rinse in a sieve, under cold water, until the water runs clear, and then they're good to go. Excellent. So in with the beef stock, or vegetable stock, or whatever stock you want, but make sure you use stock, because if you just use water, it'd be naff. It'd just taste...
Won't get the flavour then?
It'd be awful. So just use a good stock, and then just simmer that down for about 35 minutes, just until those sweet potatoes are cooked through and it's good to go. That's pretty much it.